Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we will see the chapter 10 circle. Circle, you know that very well. Circle, what is circle? This is a circle. In this circle many more things are there, like this is a radius. Double of radius is diameter, and most of things you will be read here, that is a tangent. That tangent you will be read most of all here. So that first question is 10.1. how many tangent can a circle have? So that how many tangent, like this is a circle. So this one can tangent, this one also tangent, this one also tangent, this one also tangent, this one also tangent, this one also. It means many more tangents we can draw here. So that answer will be infinitive. Infinitely many. Infinitely many. And then fill in the blank. First, a tangent to a circle intersect it in one point. If you are drawing one circle, then only one time it will be touch on a circle. Second, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant. But a secant also, see that here, that is a secant. On 2 points is touching, this is a secant. And then a circle can have 2 parallel tangent at the most. It means in a circle only 2 parallel will be there, like this. This is a and this. We can't draw more parallel tangents. The common point of tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Common point of tangent, that is a common point of tangent, like this. Suppose this is a circle or you are drawing that one, this is a common point. Now the third question, that is, this was the second question, Phillips. Then the third question you will be see here, that a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meet a line through the center O at a point Q, so that QR is equal to 12. So length PQ is equal to that will be, that is a circle. This is the circle, this is the radius, this is the contact point of the tangent. So that this is the given 12, this is the O, this P can be that, and then this one we can write the any name of that one. Find the length of PQ, so that P point of the circle of radius 5 cm. This is the P point or this is the Q point. So here this must be 90 degree. This must be 90 degree. So what will we do here? H square is equal to P square plus B square. So that H is 12 square is equal to, perpendicular you can write anything. This is the 5 cm. So that is OQ, that will be, we need to prove that this one, that will be PQ is given there, or we need to find the PQ at a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of a radius 5 cm and the line through the center O at the point Q, so that QR is equal to, OQ is equal to 12 cm. OQ is equal to 12 cm. OQ is equal to 12 cm and then length PQ. We need to find PQ length. So that will be find by that one. So that your answer will come OQ. So we have here OQ. Now that yes, 12 square is equal to, that will be OQ is, that is a PQ square plus this is the 5 square. So that 144 minus 25 is equal to PQ square. So the subtraction of that one, 911 under root by the square. So PQ is equal to 11, and it means D part is sahi. Fourth question, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given that such as a one is a tangent and other is a secant to a circle. So first of all you will draw a circle and then you will draw a diameter. Here we will draw the 90-degree angle from this point. This is a tangent, and on any point of here you will draw the 90-degree. Like this, from center I am drawing the 90-degree. That will be from here. This is a secant and this is a tangent, and both are the parallel also. Okay.